Hey y'all, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of an edger that I bought on Amazon. It's not something I normally do, but I like to try out things and see if I really need to buy the more expensive item or can I get away with buying something cheaper. So I ordered this on Amazon, like I said. It's a Jardinier. I'll put the link below. They're not a sponsor. I paid for it. They aren't paying me to do this review, but I just wanted to do it. So when you open the box for, I paid $31.99 and I'm a Prime member, so I didn't pay for shipping. First thing you get is these little gloves. Have a little cute little bee on it. Get these trimmers. Don't know if they're any good or if they'll break in a week. Don't even know how these work. We'll figure that out. They're oiled. And then we have the edger. Wonder how hard it is to put together. Normally I buy tools at like Home Depot or Lowe's. Ordering them from Amazon isn't something I have ever really done. So we're going to have to see how hard this is to put together. Might be something I can put together, might be something I have Tommy put together for me. Because believe it or not, I do have other things to do. So this is how it looks. You see that? Here's the nuts and bolts of it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this together. It's pretty simple. I think that's an important thing to know because not everyone has a Tommy to put things together. So that's slid together. And the top slid right on. My chickens are very noisy today. It's very windy. My plants are taking a beating too. So we're gonna put okay, so it looks like I can't do it by hand. I'm gonna need a tool, and Tommy has his tools locked up. So I'm gonna have him finish putting, even though I could do this if I had the right tool. That's the kind of head it has on the little bolts. He has his toolbox locked up so things don't get stolen out of our garage. So I'm gonna have him put it together tonight, and then I'll try it out tomorrow. Okay, well, I'm gonna try this edger out and see how I like it. Okay, so you can see where I have started to make almost a little trench, I guess, with the edger. I think it's gonna make a big difference in how easy it is to weed eat. After I pulled up all of this grass and mulched, put more mulch down, my chickens dug up the cardboard. You can see from this end, if I mulch it, I think I'm kind of getting out of line. Need to come back in just a little bit. But anyway, once I get it completely done, I can mulch it. And it's going to be a lot more obvious where my flower beds start and end and where the grass begins. It's going to be a lot less work, hopefully, if I do this a couple of times a year. The wind blew my granddaughter's pool way over here. I'm going to have to clean up the yard after the windstorms we've had. The question is, do I like that product? Yes, I do. I think it's well made. It's just right on me. I'm almost 5'5". It's just right on me. It comes about up to my waist. Didn't take long for my husband to finish putting it together. So, would I buy it again? Do I think I got my money's worth? Yes, I do. Even if I never use these little gloves, my granddaughter will probably play with them. But I do think it was a good purchase. They aren't always, you never know what you're going to get off Amazon. Sometimes it's like Wish. But regardless, I think it was a good purchase, and I do recommend it to my fellow gardeners. You guys have a good night.